Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students of grade 10th. It's my fourth lecture of unit number 5. In my previous lecture we have completed the reading along with the translation. So today we are going to start the book exercises. Open your books at page number 45. Page number is 45 and the first exercise which is given is of glossary, in which some words along with their meanings are given. I think there is no need of telling you the meanings of these words, as we have already discussed them while we were doing the reading. But let me tell you once again that in your paper in section A, some MCQs are of these words, in which words will be given and 4 options will also be given, in which only one will correct and you will have to encircle that correct option. So keep in mind the meanings of all these words. Now come to the next page. On the next page there is an exercise of comprehension. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where did Abdurrahman first import fruit trees and other plants from and why? Question number 2. What can we achieve again if we enkindle in ourselves the master passion Ishq? What is the view of Iqbal about the Masjid of Cordoba? Explain his views in your own words. Now turn the page. Question number 4. What in your opinion is the significance of the Masjid of Cordoba to the present day Muslims? Explain. Question number 5. Why did Iqbal greatly appreciate a far-away masjid in Spain when there were superb buildings of the Muslim era in subcontinents? Dear students, there are 5 questions, a total of 5 questions, and the answers of all these 5 questions are written in the notes which you can get from your school in hard copy. The next exercise is of choose the correct options. These kinds of questions, these kinds of sentences also comes in your paper. The statement is given, then the 4 options are given, in which one will be correct and you will have to take the correct option. After reading the whole unit, you will be able to answer the correct option. Choose the correct option. After the fall of Muslims in Spain, the masjid was converted into a cathedral. It shows that Muslims were overthrown by option A, Hindus, Jews, Christians and Sikhs. So the option C, Christians, is correct. Number 2. We can achieve dash again if we enkindle in ourselves the masterpiece Ishq. The great Masjid of Cordoba, finest work of art, exalted state of moral and spiritual character, Spain. So option C, exalted state of moral and spiritual character, is correct. Number 3. It was an era when the Iberian Peninsula was glittering with progress and advancement of the Muslim civilization. In this sentence, the word glittering is used as simile, personification, metaphor or alteration. So option B, metaphor, is correct. The most consummate and accomplished structure of the masjid is prayer hall, being used by using contextual clues. The word that is closest in meaning consummate is consummate is faultless, complete, imperfect or skillful. So option D, skillful is correct. Number 5. After careful reading the text, the great Masjid of Qurtuba and Iqbal, it can be concluded that the theme of the lesson is option A, the artistic beauty of the masjid, the glory of the Muslim rule in Spain, contribution of Muslims to art and architecture. Option 4, Islam present, past and future. So the correct option is the glory of Muslims rule in Spain. Option B, the glory of Muslim rule in Spain is the correct one. Now come to page number 48. The exercise is of grammar. For each of the following sentences, choose the correct type of adjective to fill in the blank. Dear students, you know it very well that what is adjective. Adjective modify the noun. Can you see that plain? Which type of adjective is the word in bold? Number A, an adjective that modifies the pronoun, indefinite adjective. Number C, demonstrative adjective, and number D, possessive adjective. So option C, demonstrative adjective is the correct one. Did you see any person come on this road? No, I saw no one come here. Which type of adjective are the word in bold? Any. So number A, an adjective that modifies the pronoun, indefinite adjective. Number C, demonstrative adjective. Number D, possessive adjective. So indefinite adjective is the correct one. Statement number 3, dog collars will be given to those dogs that are trained. Which type of adjective is the word in bolds? Dog collars will be given to those dogs that are trained. Which type of adjective is the bold, is the word in bold? So those is an adjective that modifies the pronoun, indefinite adjective, demonstrative adjective, or possessive adjective. The correct option is C, demonstrative adjective. Now turn the page. Number 4, he was asked to spot the car that crashed and identified the red. Which type of adjective is the word in bold? The red one. Red is an adjective that modifies the pronoun, indefinite adjective. Option C, demonstrative adjective, and option D, possessive adjective. So option A, an adjective that modifies the pronoun is the correct one. Number 5, the brave few fought the war. Which type of adjective is the word in bold? Brave, an adjective that modifies the pronoun, indefinite adjective, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective. So option A, an adjective that modifies the pronoun is the correct one. Now the next exercise is fill in the correct degree of adjective. There are 3 degrees of adjective: simple, the comparative, and then the superlative degree. My house is big than yours. Then is used, so there is comparison. Whenever there is comparison, we use the comparative degree. So my house is bigger than yours. The flower is beautiful than that one. Again there is comparison, is more beautiful. This is the interesting book I have ever read. So there is no comparison, it is the superlative degree. This is the This is the most interesting book. Non-smokers usually live than smokers, so comparative longer than smokers, which is the means superlative, which is the most dangerous animal in the world. Number 6, a holiday by sea is good than a holiday in the mountain. Then is used, so there is comparison, comparative degree will be used. The a holiday by the sea is better than a holiday in mountains. It is strange, but often a cola is expensive than a juice. Then is used, so we will use the comparative degree of expensive, so we will use more expensive. Why is the rich woman on earth? Sorry, who is the rich woman on earth? The is used, so we will use the superlative degree. Who is the richest woman on earth? The weather this summer is even bad than last summer. Then is used, so we will use the comparative degree of bad, which is worse. Summer is even worse than last summer. He was the clever thief of all. The is used, so we will use the superlative degree. He was the cleverest thief of all. Now come to exercise C. For each of the following sentences, choose the correct order of adjective to fill in the blank. My grandmother lives in the option A, modern, huge, beautiful and white. House on the corner. Option B, white, huge, beautiful and modern. Huge, beautiful, modern and white. White, huge, beautiful and modern. So option A, modern, huge, beautiful and white is the correct one. The store carries an assortment of option A, interesting, new, old and antique. New, old, interesting and antique. Interesting, old and new and antique. Antique, interesting, old and new. Option A, interesting, new, old and antique is the correct one. Come to the next page. We went for a 2-week cruise on an dash ocean liner. Incredible, brand new, huge, Italian. Incredible, huge, brand new, Italian. Italian, incredible, brand new, huge. Huge, brand new, Italian, incredible. So option B, incredible, huge, brand new, Italian is the correct one. Number 4, I bought a pair of dash rain boots. New, nice, red. Nice, new, red. Red, nice, new, new, red and nice. So option A, new, nice and red is the correct one. Please put the marble into the dash box. Option A, round, huge, old and red. Huge, old, round and red. Huge, old, red and round. Red, huge, round and old. So option B, huge, old, round and red is the correct one. Now come to the exercise D. Use the nouns given in the parenthesis of the form to form an adjective. I wish I had magical. I wish I had magical powers. My sister is allergic to cats. My sister is allergic to cats. That bird has a lovely voice. Akram has a friendly relationship with his customers. The project has been brought to a successful conclusion.